Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Mayate, and I am back with a different video. So I had this company, Pinkzio, reach out to me and they sent me a professional lash lift kit. So it was an eyelash perming kit and they sent me these beautiful lashes in the Vibe Queen, and I wore them a few times and they're so freaking pretty. I've also posted with these eyelashes on my Instagram. So this is the box. So this is everything, and I'm not gonna lie, I do have some makeup on because I just didn't want to look crazy on camera. Now I want to know if these actually come with instructions. Okay. Okay, so there's no instructions on this. Oh, okay, here we go. Because I'm like, where's the instructions at? Okay, here we go. It was actually inside the box. So, cleanse your lashes. So my eyelashes are already clean. Apply the shells, the white silicone pads or rollers. Okay. So, okay. So I have one thing here. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, I should put, oops. There we go. I should put my mirror right in front of me. Okay. Oh, okay. So what you have to do is you have to apply the eyelash glue to this. And I do have just a little bit of makeup on. Oops. So I'm just gonna go in here and clean that up. Okay. Okay, so I have that on here. Okay, so I see my eyelashes. Okay, so we got the glue on. Oh, that was overall pretty easy. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, so I have the eyelash showed on. So we have the Perm Lotion here. And it says apply the Perm Lotion. Now this is my thing. They didn't give us any mascara wands. So like, what do you use the Perm Lotion with? Okay, so I'm just going to take a clean makeup brush. Actually, I'm gonna need a flat head. So give me a second here, y'all. So I have this here. So I have it right here, and some of it's starting to come out. Oh, okay, there was something in it. There we go. So I'm not gonna lie, it does not have the best smell. But overall, I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty easy. Like, I'm not having a hard time with this at all. I'm not gonna lie, it does smell like a perm. When you perm someone's hair. Hmm. So honestly, guys, I didn't need that brush because it comes with this. Okay, so I have that here, and this says that so I gotta leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then for step 2, I gotta apply the setting lotion and leave it on for 10 minutes. Then clean dry with a cotton bud. And 6, I gotta leave on the moisture lotion, leave on for 5 minutes, and I should be set with that. So I'm just going to let this sit for 10 minutes. So I'm back. It's been about 10 to 15 minutes now, and I did the first step, so I'm just going to close this back up. So the first step, this is the lotion. Now the lotion, that's the perm lotion. So the second step says apply the setting lotion, apply the blue fixing setting lotion exactly the same way as the perm lotion. Leave on for 10 minutes and clean dry with a cotton bud. So I have, oops. This is the second one right here. And I have my spatula right here. And I'm just going to apply the second part. And it said it's important to get the base, which is what I'm trying to do. So I applied the second part. Can I zoom in some more? Here we go. So this is how it looks. And honestly, I'm gonna wait for me to zoom in. I thought this would be hard, but this is fairly easy, and you can definitely do this at yourself at home. This is my first time doing this, but this is fairly easy, guys. So I'm gonna let this sit for 10 more minutes. So I just noticed something. I was like reading the paper and I read it wrong. You were supposed to cleanse your lashes with this cleansing water, which I didn't do, but my lashes are already clean because I was preparing for the video. But just keep in step, read the directions fully. So next thing I have here is the moisture lotion, and you let this sit on for 5 minutes. And I have some on right here, and I'm just gonna go. So I have this on, and this is how it looks. So I'm going to let this sit on for 5 minutes. I'm going to come back on camera and show you the difference between this side and this side once everything is done. Okay, so this is how everything is. I just have my towel here, and I'm just going to wipe everything because it's been about 5 minutes now. Okay, so everything is nice and dry, so I'm just going to take this off and wipe off with anything that's on my eyelashes. Oh! I wish I had a mascara on or something. Ooh! Look at that! You get a difference between this one and that one. So it definitely makes a difference. My eyes are not irritated. Besides the glue on my eyelids, which is fine because I can definitely take that off with some alcohol. Wow. This makes such a huge difference. Like, you can definitely see it here compared to here where you really can't see my eyelashes because it looks like I have mascara on. If you guys can see. So we got this eye. So, oh yeah, sorry guys, it keeps going in and out, but I definitely recommend this. I can zoom out now. Here we go. So yeah, I definitely recommend it. This is the kit I was using. Super easy. The whole process took under 30 minutes. No complaints. I definitely recommend this. And the fact that I can do this and I'm like really clumsy and like really scared of doing it. I'm even scared to wax my own eyebrows. Mind you, I wax my underarms to do my Brazilian and all that. But I'd be scared to wax my eyebrows, and the fact that I was okay doing my eyelashes, I have no problem with it. So this is super easy. I highly recommend this. I'm going to post the link in the comments, not in the comments, in the bio. But yeah, I want to say this kit is like under $30. It could even be $20 on Amazon because they also sell on Amazon. I was reading the reviews before I wanted to do this. But yeah, I have no complaints. And I like this kit, so I'm definitely going to be using this kit. It's super easy to use. And guys, that's my review. Bye-bye.